Hi, my name is Spencer. I'm at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz, and Airstream in Scarborough, Maine. And today, August 10th, 2020, very exciting news. To my left is a 2021 Airstream Interstate EXT Grand Lounge. And what's so special about this vehicle is as of today, Monday, it is available for immediate sale and delivery. Very rare that we have one of these available at the dealership. In fact, across the country, Interstate models and Atlas models are zero to few in terms of inventory availability. So let's talk about the model to my left. Is a 2021 Interstate EXT finished in an iridium silver metallic. Like I said, can't repeat myself enough, available right now for sale. It will not last very long at all. We do work with clients all over the country, help arranging transport, paperwork, purchase options, personal video tours, anything you might need. Please don't hesitate to ask. I will include all of my contact information later on in the video, but the best way to reach me, 207-210-4796. That is my personal cell phone number. Call or text me anytime. So, iridium silver metallic. What Airstream does is buy a completely loaded Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van, strip everything down bare to the frame, and build up this glorious touring coach. That includes on the exterior, lots of bumpers, body work. The new redesigned Sprinter has these very modern, sleek looking LED lights. So many great options. I could spend hours reviewing every single piece of technology included in this vehicle. I will forego that for the moment, but if you have any questions specific to one individual option, please let me know. Coming along the side of the vehicle, the EXT, of course, is built on the long wheelbase Sprinter van. So, of course, this is a 24-foot model, which gives you lots of room in the interior. We have a 14-foot awning that extends out. Now, what's also unique about this particular model, it's no ordinary Interstate EXT Grand Lounge. It's the Tommy Bahama edition, and we'll see little kind of hints and pieces of that as we go through the vehicle. But we have a power sliding door, so from the key fob, from the dashboard, or right here from the handle, you press this, your automatic step slides out, and you get a first glimpse into the interior of this coach. Truly, Airstream, again, second to none in terms of build quality, materials used, outsourcing to companies for your furnace, air conditioning, solar panels, heating, stove, refrigerator, televisions, all of the top brands used to match, of course, the build quality, not only from Mercedes-Benz, but from Airstream as well. We'll continue around the outside of the vehicle, then take a closer look at the interior. We do have down at the bottom here, this is our propane fill. So we do have an onboard propane system. You can fill, bleed, and connect right from here. So any gas station, Cabela's, Tractor Supply Company, places like this can fill up your propane tanks. We do have exterior plugs right here for cable, as well as a regular plug-in. If you feel you so desire to have a television with TV, without cable TV outside, you can absolutely do that. Around the back of the vehicle, you'll see Airstream, Interstate, Tommy Bahama, the Relax Edition. That's exactly what you can do while driving this coach due to all the great driving features available in this vehicle. Again, I'll show that a little bit later on the inside. Tommy Bahama styling, we have that nice kind of sailfish design there. Again, the redesign of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter includes more modern looking LED taillights. The body kits have changed, the bumpers have changed. Along with the front bumper, we do have parking sensors all along the rear and a great tow hitch cover. So there is spot for a trailer hitch, 5,000-pound towing capacity. You could even tow an Airstream trailer behind your Airstream RV. Coming along to the driver's side of the vehicle, more of this custom glass along here. We have adjustable windows, privacy glass, tinted nice and dark, but still easy to see out of from inside the coach. Our 30-amp plug down below, this is where you'll charge your Airstream model. So along with solar panels up top, that 30-amp plug also a really nice piece to have. That is our exhaust for our onboard generator, also included on this coach. We have our black and gray tank dumping stations right here, water fill, and then coming around to the front, our driver and passenger doors. And this is where you'll see your gas fill right there. So it is a V6 turbo diesel engine right from the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. What's unique about our dealership, we are one of 3 Mercedes-Benz and Airstream dealerships in the country. So what that means is we can sell and service both portions of the vehicle, both components. The Airstream side, the coach, all your inner mechanisms, your lights, your heating, everything like that, and as well as our Mercedes-Benz side, the chassis, the drivetrain, engine, transmission. Not many dealers can do both. Truly a fantastic vehicle inside and out. Let's take a closer look at the interior. Starting with the driver and passenger seat, we can see our cockpit area here. We have power adjusting seats, memory seats, heated seats for the driver and passenger. For the first time in the redesigned Sprinter, Airstream is now offering the active driving features available on all previous Mercedes-Benz automobiles. So we have our radar guided cruise control, our lane assist on the steering wheel. We have voice, volume, and phone control also available on the steering wheel. Shifter right here for drive, reverse, and park. Engine start, stop. Here is our infotainment screen. So this is where we run our phone connectivity, our navigation. This is the MBUX system straight from Mercedes-Benz and most of our Mercedes-Benz vehicles as well. Shortcut operation, we have our volume control, climate control, and then this is our door operator. So this controls our sliding door on the passenger side. Truly, again, a fantastic setup here from Mercedes-Benz. Really excited to have this model available. Let's take a closer look at the rest of the coach. Behind our second row of captain's chairs is our kitchenette area here. I'll give you a quick little walkthrough. Of course, wouldn't be Tommy Bahama without the Live the Island to Life slogan. We have our sink right here, a little adjustable nozzle. And then we have our 2-burner propane stove. Below that, our refrigerator and freezer combination. And then this is our dual microwave and convection oven. So you open up that little thing, it's a microwave and convection oven combination. Now, across from the kitchenette is the bathroom. It's a full wet bath, so you can take a look right here. You have your sink, your shower, your little toilet area, all the amenities that you can need, as well as a secondary fan inside of the bathroom, let out some of that steam. One of 2 televisions located in the coach is up front here. You can store this up and away so it's out of your headroom. The second television located in the rear of the coach in our rear seating area. So we have our second TV, 2 power ottomans, as well as our power rear bench. You'll see quite a lot of accessories and stuff that comes with the Tommy Bahama. That includes bedding, pillows, floor mats, blankets, all these little accessories that come with Tommy Bahama stored in the rear of the vehicle. All of these ottomans come together to create our sleeping section. You'll see tons of cabinetry. All of these open up just like this. Nice nickel-plated finish. Very nice heavy-duty springs. And of course, it would not be a Tommy Bahama edition without a section right here for your cups and drinks, because of course you have to live the island life. That includes a cocktail every once in a while. So lots of storage. Airstream uses all green, non-formaldehyde included chemicals and insulation, so there's no off-gassings, no bad chemicals in the coach. Of course, being brand new, it smells like a nice cedar closet in here. Lots of space. We'll kind of move out of the way of the vehicle. There are lots of other pieces of technology. One more thing I will show you is our control system. So we have our inverters, our solar panel readings, and our full display menu here. So we have our master lights, our fresh gray, black water, and propane tanks. Here are all of our light controls. There's our electrical controls. We have our thermostat, including AC and furnace, and all of our shade controls as well. So we hit the master shade, and our shades will roll down on each and every window. So I wanted to give you just a quick tour of this Airstream Interstate. Thanks for watching our video tour of the 2021 Airstream Interstate EXT Grand Lounge. As I mentioned multiple times, this vehicle right now, Monday, August 10th is available for immediate sale and delivery. One of the only models in the past few months I've had available for sale here. So don't anticipate this being for sale long. Of course, you can reach out regarding purchase options. We have financing available here at our dealership up to 240 months. Lots of great transport options. We work very well with clients remotely all over the country, so you do not need to be local to be a client here at Prime Motor Cars. Again, if you have any questions, 207-210-4796. That is my personal cell phone number. You can call or text me anytime. I'm also available via email, sroe, that's SROE, at driveprime.com. Happy to answer any questions you have. Once again, thank you so much for watching. We are Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz, and Airstream. We're located at 137 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks again. Hope you enjoyed.